What's up, guys? So I've gotten a little ahead, working on the boat, trying to get things taken apart where I can separate my top and bottom, so I can get to work on the transom. The reason I'm doing that, so I can just get a solid transom in there. It's about the best way to get in there and do the transom. So let me show you what I got going on and what I've got done and everything. Let's take a look. So you can see I've begun to work around the edges, pulling carpet and taking screws out. And then I had to go inside my rod locker, and they had tabbed in fiberglass down the inside edge there. They got it over there inside that compartment, and I used the oscillating tool to cut that out. I got to cut that side still. And the motor's off, been off, everything's apart back here. One gas tank is out right there. I got to pull the other tank out. I've cut right around this compartment here because they tabbed in with fiberglass holding it down, and then I cut right down in there. I don't know if y'all can see, along there too as well. And I'm taking these out where I can cut along here down to here, and then right above the top of the stringer where it's tied in right here. And then that part should come out with the top of the boat, and then I can kind of get to work back here and get to work on that. I don't know if you can see, like right there, is where I got play, and the plate that was there was pulling into the transom, and if it wasn't for that, it probably would have already been bad and came apart. So let's get to work at getting this other tank pulled out. So I got cut down through there, down that line, and then it's tied into the stringer. It's tied into that stringer of the boat. I cut all the way up that side, and hopefully all that will come out with the boat. Now I gotta go cut all this side. It's nasty, like water been leaking or getting in there somehow. But I can clean all this out. I can replace what's bad, and everything will be new and ready to go.